Hello everyone, in this video we'll see what is the assign to me section in the BoloForms mobile app and how to use that particular section in the BoloForms mobile app. So first of all, in the assign to me section you will be able to see all the documents where you've been assigned as a signer or where you've been asked to fill out that particular PDF. So in order to see how this feature works, let's try this out. So I'm creating one new document. So I'm uploading a PDF from my file and then I'm selecting the sign others remotely. So under this section, to test this out, I'm adding my own email as a signer and I'm adding one more other person along with me, and I'm clicking on create document. So I'm adding a signature box here. I'm sending this document. We have got this notification here that it has been sent to the signers. So now we'll go and see the assign to me section. So I'm able to see this particular file called share free invoice templates. So this is the one that we created right now. So when I click on to the sign now, it will redirect me automatically to the signing screen. So this is how you can easily manage all the files that are assigned to your workspace and easily finish off all the pending files. Thank you.